Association of Canada proudly presents the next honour to Ms. Ajit Kaur Tiwana. Her sense of justice, fairness, compassion, honesty, and being the first female RCMP officer, the community is very proud of her. We have a brief presentation on Ms. Tiwana.
My biggest inspiration has been my father, first and foremost, who has always taught me to build the world that you dream of and make sure that you dream of something that you can inspire others with. And the second inspiration that I have had for me is Miss Karen Bedi, as most of you would know her, the ex-commissioner of the Delhi Police. Growing up as a child, I read so many stories about her and changing the world a little at a time, leaving her influence behind and being the legacy that she is. She taught me to believe in myself. She taught me to do things for others, not for yourself, but to change the world a little at a time. My vision for the future, the next generation, is to create a world that you want to live in, to create a world that you dream of, and that you can call Canada as part of your heritage 6 generations from now or 7 generations from now. You can call this country as your country. Build it what you want it to be and be proud of it and to be called a Canadian.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is truly an honor to be here this evening. When we got the invitations earlier from Jaideep, I was truly crossing my fingers that our commissioner was busy this evening and wouldn't be able to make it, so I would get to do this. Fortunately for me,
Go ahead.
thank you. Fortunately for me, the commissioner is away on holidays, and I got to do this anyway. I've known AJ, as we know her and love her in our family, for about the past 5 years, as she's worked in Ottawa in various different capacities. So it is truly an honor to be able to come here and present the award to her, your award to someone from your community and someone from our community. It is truly, truly an honor to be here. As you can see, as members of the Royal Canadian Mounted Police, we are very, very proud to wear our special red tunics at any opportunity we have, and a truly special occasion like this is one where when AJ told me they've asked her to wear her red serge, I said, well, I'm right there with you. So here we are tonight, dressed up in our finest regalia to thank you again for honoring a member from your community and ours. It is truly fantastic. We don't recruit many South Asian women into the RCMP. I think we have a handful of less than 20, but it seems when we get one, we get a good one, and we keep them for a long time. I know AJ has 24 years of service now. I'm coming on 33, so she's got lots of career in the RCMP ahead of her. As I don't know if all of you know, while she's a corporal now, she has recently been successful through our officer development program, so she's on the list of aspirants to rise to the commission ranks, and hopefully we'll see that. I'll see that before the end of my career. Thank you again, AJ.
We are proud of you.
Thank you.
ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਿਆਰ ਭਰੀ ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ. You'll have to excuse me, sir. I have to make use of my native language, which is Punjabi, and I'm very proud to speak in Punjabi. ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਆਟਵਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਹੁਤ ਵੈਲਕਮ, ਜੀ ਆਇਆਂ ਨੂੰ. ਇਹ ਮੇਰਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਅਵਾਰਡ ਹੈ ਇਹ ਸਿਰਫ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇਕੱਲੀ ਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਅੱਜ ਮਿਲ ਰਿਹਾ, ਇਹ ਹਰ ਉਸ ਧੀ ਭੈਣ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਜਿਸ ਨੇ ਕਿ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਲਈ ਲੜਾਈ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ. ਸਿਰਫ ਮੇਰੇ ਲਈ ਨਹੀਂ। ਮੈਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਪੁਲਿਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜੁਆਇਨ ਕੀਤਾ ਤਾਂ ਥੋੜ੍ਹੇ ਦਿਨਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਬਜ਼ੁਰਗ ਆ ਕੇ ਗੁਰਦੁਆਰੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਿਲੇ। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਈ ਵਾਰੀ ਯੂਨੀਫਾਰਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਸੀ। ਉਹ ਆਪਣੀ ਛੋਟੀ ਜਿਹੀ ਬੱਚੀ ਨੂੰ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਏ। ਸ਼ੀ ਵਾਜ਼ ਅਬਾਊਟ 4 years old। ਮੈਨੂੰ ਆ ਕੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ, ਬੇਟੇ ਇਸ ਬੱਚੀ ਦੇ ਸਿਰ ਤੇ ਹੱਥ ਰੱਖ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਤੇਰੇ ਵਰਗੀ ਬਣੇ, ਆਪਣੇ ਲਈ ਤੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਮਾਂ ਲਈ ਇਹ ਲੜਨਾ ਸਿੱਖੇ। ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਅਵਾਰਡ ਇਕੱਲੇ ਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਲ ਰਿਹਾ, ਉਸ ਬੱਚੀ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਨਾਲ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਤੇ ਉਸ ਦਾਦੀ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਮਿਲ ਰਿਹਾ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕਿ ਆਪਣੇ ਹੰਝੂ ਆਪਣੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਮੇਟ ਕੇ ਕਦੇ ਬੈਠ ਗਈ ਹੈ। ਸੋ ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਮੇਰਾ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ, ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਨੂੰ, ਆਪਣੀ ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਨੂੰ, ਮੇਰੀ ਨੂੰ, ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਬੇਟੀ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਸ਼ੁਕਰੀਆ।
Thank you. That was really, really inspirational. It brought a tear to my eye, which doesn't take a lot anyway. Anyways.